So I'm walking and I am right on top of the world. I'm on the hill. I'm on top of the world. I've actually done it. Woohoo! I've been feeling quite anxious and hyperventilating a little bit, not so much now because I'm at the top of the hill. Pressing, like tapping my stomach like that sort of helps for some reason. I don't know why it does. It just does. It provides some kind of like pressure point or something. So I do that when I'm a little bit nervous. But yeah, I'm right on the top of the hill now. Now I'm really pleased. I've done it! I'm done it! Yeah, there's no one around. I'm all alone. It's pretty cool. I've actually made it. I'm happy. No, seriously, it's actually no one around. It's pretty cool. It's all peaceful. I'm peaceful. Yeah. Now, I wasn't actually supposed to come here today. I was supposed to go and take part in the Seek project. Whoops. Now, I've talked about the Seek project before, I don't think. Basically, I get support from WorkAid, which is a local organisation that helps people with autism, not just autism, but other conditions, find work and employment and stuff. And they put me in contact. They suggested I take part in a Seek project. I don't actually know what Seek stands for. It basically helps people who want to become self-employed. It's like a course, so like a tutorial that kind of gives people advice on how to become self-employed and things. Because one of the things I was thinking of doing was becoming like a self-employed consultant or like public speaker, like talking about autism and stuff, like raising awareness, because I'm like I feel really passionate about that. Like a bit like what I'm doing now, like on YouTube, talking about, you know, raising awareness and stuff. And this course was meant to take place over like 2 weeks, so it's a bit noisy over there. I don't know what they're doing. Why the fuck do they always? Sorry, excuse my French. Why do they have to make so much noise in the countryside? I don't know. It was peaceful, and now they're making noise. It's just typical, isn't it? Typical. You can never escape from noise. Anyhow, I don't know. It's really annoying. Yeah. It's so annoying. Sorry. Anyhow, what was I saying? Yeah, so I was supposed to be taking part in this project. But today, which was supposed to help people become self-employed over 2 weeks, it's a free project, so I didn't really have anything to lose. But I would have to travel to the venue, and travelling is always a bit stressful for me. I have to be really interested in something to do it. I have to be like really motivated. And if the motivation's not there, it just doesn't happen. If the motivation isn't there for me to do something, I just can't be asked. It's as simple as that. I know some people might think, I don't know, might see that as a sign of weakness. I guess it is a sign of weakness, really, but it just can't be helped. I have so much anxiety in my daily life. I have to really be interested in something for myself to actually do it. If I'm interested, like I'm raring to go, I will do it. I have to be interested. So bloody hell, that noise. Sorry, very distracting. Oh bugger! I need to walk round. I will walk round. It's just that noise. You won't be able to hear what I'm going to say if I walk past it as well. I don't know what they're doing. Probably knocking down trees or some shit like that. I don't know. I'm sure it's perfectly necessary. It's just very annoying. So what was I saying? Sorry. I'm not used to speaking outside. I'm used to speaking sitting down. So I might come across a bit different. I don't know. But this is me being natural. I'm just talking. Improv. I haven't rehearsed this. It's completely natural. So what was I saying? The Seek project. So yes, so I kind of just can't be asked to do it. It was supposed to take place over 2 weeks, and then at the end of the 2 weeks, we were supposed to pitch what we were going to do to a panel. And if we were successful, we would then be taken on for 6 months, given money, and help to develop our project, you see. My idea was that I wanted to become self-employed and talk about autism and things like that. But I've just been having second thoughts about it. I feel really bad about this, because I know I'm letting everyone down. I'm letting myself down, maybe I'm self-sabotaging myself, I don't know. I just woke up this morning. I was supposed to travel there, early start, and I just couldn't do it. So outside of my routine, I mean, it's not just that, because like I have done things outside of my routine before. You know, this by the way is something that's been planned for a long time, so it had been incorporated into my routine. It wasn't like a sudden change or something. I was all psyched up to do it. But I guess, you know, it was still outside my routine. That is difficult. And you know, if I'm not motivated to do something that's outside of my routine, it's really, really difficult for me to do it. If I'm motivated and I'm really, really interested, it's been planned for a really long period of time, then I can do it. But I just wasn't motivated, so I just thought, I just can't do it, so I just ended up not doing it. I still need to email them to let them know I'm not coming. Oh my god, I'm really worried they're going to be really, like, upset about it and everything, so I don't want to cause anyone upset. That's the last thing I want to do. I really don't like conflict, and I don't want to get myself into a difficult situation of having to explain myself and all that, and it's really putting me off emailing them, but I'm not going to have to do it. God, why is my life so stressful? But, so I just thought, well, I must do something today. I don't want to just sit around doing nothing, you know, so I just decided to get out, come to Westdean. I haven't been here for a while. I have membership. My membership's due to run out, so I thought I might as well make most of it, see some labs, it's a nice day, and get some exercise. So that's what I've done. And although I haven't gone down to take part in a SEEP project, I've come here. This actually was a little bit unplanned because I wasn't planning on coming here today. It was just this morning I thought, right, you know what, I just suddenly felt the need, I wanted to go to Westdean. I thought, what am I going to do? Go to Westdean. I sort of had been vaguely thinking about coming here for a while, but just hadn't got down to it, and I just thought, well, I don't want to be sitting around wasting my time. I might as well do something productive. If I'm not going down to take part in a SEEK project, I might as well at least be doing something productive. So I decided to come here instead, and here I am on top of a hill, and I've almost walked right way round, and that's really, really cool, because I haven't done that for like a really, really long time. So well done me for that. But yeah, no, I just decided a SEEK project isn't for me. They're going to be really annoyed, I know it. I just can't. I just find this really, really difficult, having to communicate and tell people when I can't do something. It's all or nothing for me. I'm either 100% interested or I'm not interested at all, and it could change really quickly as well. Like I had been planning on doing this, and then this morning I just could not do it, and it's that sudden, and it's like 100% non-commitment. That's what happens to me. I can be a little bit fickle like that. Like I'm either 100% committed or 100% non-committed, and sometimes this feeling can change on a daily basis, and it can be quite annoying. So yeah, so that's kind of what's happened. So anyway, a little bit different today then, in my videos. This is Tuesday I'm speaking on, by the way. This video will be uploaded for Wednesday, as is per usual. And I might possibly do another little video as well, if not tomorrow, again next week, so I want to show you some of my cookery books as well. Do let me know any other ideas you have for videos, and yeah, as I say, no SEEK project for me. I've decided it's not for me. I'm just going to focus on my YouTube videos, my blog, and my Aspie Trainers. And Aspie Trainers is a local organisation. I won't go into it now, but it's a local organisation that employs autistic people to go and give talks and training. I say employed. I mean, technically speaking, I'm not employed. It's kind of a sort of ad-lib thing, you know. You get paid as and when to go into various organisations and talk about autism. That noise is so pissing me off. Bloody hell! Sorry. Why do they have to make so much noise up in a public space? But anyhow, there we go. I don't know what they're doing. I really do not know what they're doing. Something annoying is going on up there. It's never quiet, never peaceful wherever you go. But it was peaceful when I was down below with a sheep, but it's not as peaceful up here. But there we go. I want to do the full circuit, so I'm going to try and walk past it, even though it's annoying me. Anyhow, I'll finish now, and I hope you enjoyed watching. So thank you.